So far in this training, you've learned how to create a funnel to give away a free product. Now I'm going to show you how to actually sell a product. So what we're going to do is create a sales page with a buy now button. And when they click the buy now button, they will go to an order page. So that's when they can fill out their credit card details, and then you will get paid either through PayPal or through Stripe. And then they'll go to the thank you page and get access to the ebook after they pay you. So for this, we can just use this opt-in page that we created before and just turn it into a sales page. But if you want to start from scratch again, you can just click on add new step and just name this sales page and click on create funnel step. And this is only if you want to start over again, but you can just use the funnel step that we already had. So just go up here to sales, click on sales page, and you can choose any one of these templates here. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to use the one we already made. So I'm going to delete this and click on OK. And let's get started with this. So I'm going to go back to the step and click on edit page. So instead of having their name and their email here, I'm just going to put in a buy now button right here. So let's delete this input bar with the name, and let's also delete this, and let's also delete this button. So let's put in a button right here. So I'm just going to go into elements right here at the top and click on add new element and scroll down to button right here. And let's drag and drop a new button. So it looks a bit weird right now, so it should take up the entire space. So let's click on this, and to take up the entire space, it should go to advanced right here, and where it says button width, choose instead of fluid, it should be full width. So it takes up the full width of this section. And if you go back to settings, instead of saying click to sign up, we should say under button text, it should say buy now. Oops, buy now. So that looks good. And under subtext right here, I might put in, actually I'm going to leave the subtext empty. So if you want to put a subtext in there, you can say like 50% off for a limited time. So you can put that in, or you can just leave it empty. I might actually leave that there. It actually looks pretty good. Next, I'm going to change the color to kind of suit this ebook. So just choose right here on background color where it says BG color, choose that, and choose an orange color or whatever color suits your ebook. So that's it, and you just have a simple buy now button. So you can add a little bit more to make this page look a bit more secure. So I'm going to click on add new element right below that button, and I'm going to click on image and click on image again, and we're going to add some security images. So what I mean by security is if you just go right here and click on stock, ClickFunnels has a whole bunch of stock footage that you can use with like Visa, MasterCard, what kind of payment methods there are. So they've got like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. So these are like all the different payment options that people have. So just click on that image and click on add image. So you got that right below the button. So this looks a lot better now. And another thing you can also do is you can put in the price of the ebook just above the button as well. So it looks a bit more neater. So I'm going to put in a new headline. And for this, I'm going to say this ebook was $15 before. Let's just say it was $15. And now it's $5 for a limited time. And where it says 15, I'm just going to highlight that and click on this little cross, the S with the little cross over it, and that just highlights the 15. So it just crosses over it, and it just says $5 for a limited time. And I'm also going to get rid of this headline right here, which just says free ebook giveaway. So it's not free anymore. So let's delete both of these right here. Oops. So that's kind of annoying. So when you hover over it, there we go. It's gone. So now what happens when they click on this button? So what we needed to do is when they click on this button, they need to go to a checkout page where they can sign up with their credit card details, and then they pay you. So for that, I'm just going to click on this button and click on set action. So just like the previous one, instead of them going to a website URL, the previous button that we had on the thank you page, instead of going to a website URL, we're going to send them to the next step in the funnel. So the next step in the funnel will be the checkout page or the order page. So you can either go to the checkout page or an order page. It's both the same. And I'm going to show you how to make that page in the next video. So before we actually go, I'm just going to save this. And that's it. So now I'll see you in that next video. So now we have a sales page with the description about the ebook, the title of the ebook, and the price of the ebook, and also a buy now button. So when someone clicks on this button, they need to go to an order page, and they'll be charged $5 when they fill out their credit card details. So we have to create an order page for this. So this is a really important step. So usually when you come down here and click on add new step, you can pick any type of template that you want and just create a new page. But if you're actually trying to charge someone money, then you have to create an order form. So let me show you what I mean. So just go to add new step right here and just do what you usually do, just putting in the name for the funnel step. So I'm just going to call this order page and leave this all empty, like the path, and where it says show funnel, just leave it on yes and click on create funnel step. And this will bring up the templates. So usually you will just pick any one of these templates here and you just start editing. And you can pick templates from, like, you know, sales pages, thank you pages, and all that. But if you're actually trying to charge people money, then you have to go down to sales and click on order form. So if you don't click on order form and pick one of these templates here, then you can't charge people. So you have to make sure you're on an order form templates. So make sure you do that. So that's a really important step, and if you don't do that, you can't charge people. So next, you just pick one of these templates here. So there's really good templates here for like ebooks, like this one here. There's good templates if you're like selling a physical product, and also you can put in like videos and all that as well. So I'm just going to choose this simple one right here. This is my favorite one. So let's preview this. So you can just put in the price of the product here. You can put in, people will just fill out their name and their email here and put in their credit card details and click on complete order, and they'll be charged. So let's start editing this. So click on select template and click on edit page. So this is really easy, just like before, but there's one more important thing under the elements section right here. So this is the only thing that's different to order forms compared to any other type of pages on ClickFunnels. So if you go up here to elements and click on add element, you can see this new section here called order elements. So if you are not on an order form, you won't be able to see this section right here. So that's why I emphasize that you have to pick an order form. So this is where you can pick a credit card details element. So if I drag and drop this here, people can fill out their credit card details right here. So we already got that with the template, so let's just delete this. And if you actually want to charge people, there's 3 things that you have to do. So in the order elements section, you have to put in an order select section. So that's this section right here. So people select what they're ordering. You have to put in an email section right here. So if you scroll down to input, you can put in an email section right here. And you also have to put in a credit card section right here. So those are the 3 sections that you have, 3 elements that you have to have if you actually want to charge people. So if you actually miss just one of those elements, then you can't actually charge people. So make sure you do that. But if you actually pick any one of those templates from the order form templates that we just looked at before, all of them actually come with all 3 of these elements already in there, so it's already done for you. So you don't really need to worry. But if you're actually starting from scratch, then all you have to do is just drag and drop the credit card details section, then go back to order select, so the order select section here, and also add an email section under input. Just drag and drop that right here. So they put in their email address and all of that. So this is already done here for you. So let's just delete all of this. Let's delete this as well, and this one. Cool. And the button will also come with as well. The buy now complete order button will also come with the template as well. So it's pretty much already done. All you have to do is just edit this page to kind of look like, to make it look like your niche or your ebook. So let's just delete this your logo section because I don't need that. And where it says download your awesome product, I'm going to say download your ebook. Let me spell this right. Cool. And I'm going to leave this sub headline. It's actually a good sub headline. Take action to get this amazing deal. So that's a good sales order form right here. So it's nice and simple. You can add in an image as well if you wanted to of the ebook if you wanted to. Usually I leave all of this as it is, like the 30-day money back guarantee and the secure payment. This usually like increases sales quite a bit, so I recommend leaving that there. And that's it. So let's click on save and let's click on exit. So there's one more thing we have to do. So how much do we actually charge the person that actually signs up with their name and their email? So we put in $5 right here. We put in $5, but that doesn't actually tell ClickFunnels to charge the people $5. We have to do that right here under products. So when you're on the order page step, go click on that and click on products, and this is where you actually add the product. So click on add product, and you name this product. So I'm going to call this Dog Owner's Delight, and you can charge them either through Stripe or through PayPal. So there'll be many options here, from Stripe to PayPal, or you can actually integrate your PayPal account and your Stripe account as well. So I've integrated my Stripe account, so I'm going to choose that, and I'm going to say I want to charge them $5 US. So that's yeah, just leave that there. You can also charge them $50, $500, doesn't really matter. So you can just charge them $5, and you can choose the currency here. I'm just going to leave it at USD. And all of this, if your payment method is Stripe, you'll see more options here. So you can do a one-time payment, or you can do a subscription. So you can charge them $5 every month. So let's say you're giving them a new book every single month, then you can choose subscription. But I'm just going to keep it simple and just leave it at one time. So one-time payments are a lot more easier to sell. So I recommend starting with that if you're a beginner. And but if you're using PayPal, you won't be able to see any of these sections here. So just don't even worry about it. Just choose PayPal here. Tell them how much you want to charge them, and that's it. So leave all of this empty as well. Then you just click on create product, and that's it. So there's your product, and it's $5, and you can edit it or delete it if you wanted to. So there's 3 steps right now. So sales page, thank you page, and order page. So the first thing is the sales page, which is this one here, and the next step should be the order page. So I don't want them to go to the thank you page right away. They need to click on the buy now button and then go to the order page. Then they fill out their credit card details, and then they go to the thank you page. So let's just test all of this out. So let's go here. Let's hit refresh on this new funnel that we just created. So let's say someone comes into this page right here, and they click on buy now, and then they go to the order page right here. So you can see it says Dog Owner's Delight, and it's $5. So that's the product that we just created, and they put in their email right here. They put in their credit card details, and then they click on complete order, and they'll be charged $5. So I'm not going to fill this out because I don't want you guys to see my credit card details. But the next step will be the thank you page. So it's just the same thank you page. Thank you, here's your ebook, and they click on download your ebook, and now they have access to the ebook that they just bought. So that's how easy it is to actually sell a product on ClickFunnels. Next, I'm going to show you how to actually sell an online course. So this could be an online course you're selling on your own website, with the navigation bar and all of that. It's like a membership access. So people actually have to log in with their name and their email, or they have to register with their name and their email and a password as well. Then they get access to a product that they bought, an online course that they bought, and you can actually build like an online community. So this is kind of an advanced method, and I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. This is more of the advanced section of ClickFunnels. So if you haven't learned the basics yet, like giving away a product for free or selling a product, then go look at the previous videos before you get into this. So in this section, you're going to learn how to create a membership page and a membership areas page. So on the membership page, people are going to either going to register for your website with their name, email, and a password, or they're going to log in with their email and a password. Then they'll get access to a membership page. So this could be like an online course that they get access to, could be an ebook or ebooks that they just bought. This could be like an online community, anything that you want. So it's the same thing. Just go to ClickFunnels right here and click on funnels, and we're going to start a new funnel. So click on add new and click on create new funnel right here. So it doesn't really matter what you choose here. Just click on either collect emails or sell your product. I would just start with this, collect emails, and I'm going to name this membership areas instead of pages. So I'm just going to name this membership area and leave this empty, and just click on build funnel. So that will bring up the normal templates that we usually use. But for this one, I'm going to choose membership right here. So I'm going to choose membership access, and this is where you build the membership registration page. So either they log in or they register for a new account. So you can choose any one of these templates here. This is the one that I usually use. Just a simple one. They put in their name, their email, password, and they confirm their password as well. And you can replace your own this with your own logo and headlines and all that. So let's start doing that. So click on select template and click on edit page. So for this, I want to also get their, so this is where they put in their name, their email, and their password. And you can edit this any way you want, but I'm just going to leave it the same. And they can also, if they're already a member, they just click on login now and they just log in. So let's just edit this at the top. So I'm going to replace this with my own logo. So I'm going to click on the image, open up the image settings, and click on the image icon. So I've got this logo right here. So if you want to upload your own logo, just click on upload and upload your logo. Click on the image you want to upload and click on add image. So there's my logo. The next thing is I'm going to say welcome to the members area. I'm going to say register for your new account. For your new account. So this you can say anything you want here, and you can also make it bold. Actually, I might get rid of this altogether because it looks a bit clunky, but it looks much more simple just with the logo and the registration page right here. So it's better to keep it all nice and simple. This actually increases conversions of all the registrations and all that. So let's click on save and let's click on preview, and this is what it all looks like. So it's telling me that I'm already logged in, so I just log in, then I create the membership page. So let's go back and let's click on exit. And next it says it's the thank you page. So instead of the thank you page, I'm going to put in the membership access area. So once they actually register for their account, they should get access to the membership area. But before I do that, I'm just going to change this name to membership registration page. So click on settings right here. So right now it just says opt-in. So I'm going to rename this to registration page and click on update page, and it will update in a short while. So next thing is I'm going to click on this, the thank you page, and let's change it to, so it says registration page here, so it just changed. So let's change this from thank you page to membership area. So just go to membership right here and click on membership area. So these are the different templates that they have. This is my favorite one. It's called funnel hack style. So let's just preview this. So this is what it looks like. So we're going to start editing this. So this is kind of like the online community that you create. So they can come in here and they can log in or log out right here. You can change the logo right here at the top, and we'll do all of that. But when I actually click on select template, this page editor will actually look slightly different, and I'll show you what that is all about that in the next video, which is a bit more advanced. It's all about how to actually create the membership access membership area where people can get access to like an online course. They can comment, they can it's kind of like a Udemy, except it's kind of your own version of Udemy. So I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video. So we've created the registration page, and now we need to create the membership area. So let's click on add step, and I'm going to name this membership area, and leave all of this empty and leave this on yes as well in show and funnel, and click on create funnel step. So this dashboard is going to look a bit different to the other templates. So usually when you pick one of these templates, you just click on edit page and you start editing the page. But for the membership areas, it's a little bit different. So if you go into membership and click on membership area, these are the template options you have. So you're going to notice something different when I click on select template. So this is my favorite one here. So this is the membership area that we're going to create. So let me just preview this before I go in any further. So you can put in your name right here. So if you're going to edit all of this, you can replace this logo. This is where people log out and log back in as well. And this is where you put in your videos. So if you have like a video, like an online course that you're selling, like this, like the one you're watching right now, you can put in the videos right here and with like little descriptions and all of that. And if they need support, you can put in your email right here, and you can put in a profile photo of you and your name. So I'm going to show you how to edit all of this. So let's click on select template, and you'll notice this is a little bit different to the normal page editor we usually have. So there's two editors right here on the right hand side. There's opening editor here, and there's another editor right here, and it says first section lesson 1 first lesson. So this is where we add all the different lessons we have for the online course that we're going to create. So I'm just going to use this ClickFunnels course as an example, and I'm going to pretend I'm going to create a new ClickFunnels course under ClickFunnels. So what I'm going to do is, first thing is click on open editor right here. So this is the membership design, so the membership area design. So we can change the logos right here, we can change the colors for this, and we can also change some of the layout. So let's do that first. So let's change this logo. So click on the logo icon and click on this little image icon, and you can upload a logo yourself, or if you don't have a logo, just click on stock right here, and you can just choose some of these logos that's already been uploaded, like this one here, or you can just go into search and just search up a logo right here. So under icon finder, you can just search up a logo, and they'll probably have some different logos that you can use. Yep, so they've got heaps of logos, but these are actually like, you know, company logos, so don't use these ones. But yeah, you can just upload your own logo. Just go up here, click on upload, choose an image, and click on add image. So there's my logo, and maybe I want this top bar right here to be a gray color. So I'll click on settings, click on background color right here, and I'll choose like a light grayish color. Cool, so that looks good. And the next thing is, this says search through course. So they can type in like a keyword and search through your course. So we can make that bar a little bit bigger. And it says quick start training, get started now. So I don't really want this here, so let's get rid of that. So just delete this. And right here, I'm going to change this to my name, Sean Rutra, and then I'm going to say CEO at an online academy. So that's just a random company name I just made up, online academy. And I might delete, yeah, I'm just going to leave it as it is. So you can change the icon and stuff later on, so I'm just going to leave this as it is. And right here under support, I'm going to change this to my email. So just help@dreamcloudacademy.com. So that's my email. So that looks good. And you can add more things below this if you wanted to. You can add like an image, you can add like more things like a search bar here, you can add a navigation bar. So this is a navigation bar right here, it's already been added. You can also add like a new content bar. So there's many things you can add in there. So let's just leave that as it is. So I think it looks good already. And you can also change the colors here as well. So instead of for the background color, you can change that to maybe like a bluish color, so it looks nice and blue. Where it says the toggle color, so I'm not sure what the toggle color is, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So that looks good to me. Doesn't actually, that blue looks a bit too bright, so I might actually make it a little bit darker. Yeah, I think that looks a little bit better. Cool, so I'm just going to hit save, and I'm going to show you how to edit this section right here. So this is where it gets a little bit complicated and a little bit tricky. So this is where you put in your videos for your online course. So you can put in videos from YouTube that you uploaded to YouTube or Vimeo or any other video platform that you have. So let's get started with that. I'm going to show you how to edit this and this as well. So I'm going to save this and just exit out of this. So before we just clicked on this editor right here. This is the membership designer. So right now we're going to start editing the lesson section right here that we had before. So let me just hit refresh here. Oops, so let me click on open editor again. Hope that got saved. Yep, so let's just click on preview. So where it says first section, first lesson, let's exit out of this again. And it says first section, first lesson. So instead of saying first section, I'm going to say basics right here. So just double click on this, and I'm going to say basics, and click on update lesson section. And where it says first lesson, I'm going to, if you want to edit this, just click on edit right here. And I'm going to say, what is ClickFunnels? So that's the first video that I'm going to upload, which is what is ClickFunnels. So that's my online course about ClickFunnels. So when you click on update lesson, just close this, and it's already updated. So now if you go back here and click on refresh, you should see that it says basics and what is ClickFunnels. So let's add another lesson there. So to do this, you can just click on clone right here. You can just duplicate it, and it just puts in another lesson in there. So now you can just click on edit, and I'm going to put this under the basics section. So you have to choose what section you want this to be under. So we'll have multiple lesson sections. So we're gonna have basics, intermediate to advanced. So first part is the basics. So I want this new lesson to be under basics, and I'm gonna say how to create your first funnel. Click on update lesson, and it should be changed. Yep, so there it is. So now if you go back here, click on refresh. So there it is. It says how to create your first lesson. So let's create another section under basics. Another section, and just call it intermediate. So right here it says add new lesson section. So let's click on that, and I'm going to name this intermediate. So let's click on create lesson section. I'm going to add another section, and I'm going to call this advanced. Click on that. Cool. So now we have 3 sections: basics, intermediate, and advanced. So let's add a new lesson. So I'm going to click on add new lesson. So it's going to load up a new lesson, and we have to choose what section we want this lesson to be under. So sometimes it takes a little longer, so don't know what happened there. So let's click on add new lesson again. So sometimes there's like a little glitch. Just close it and click on add new lesson again. So this time I want a new lesson under intermediate, and this intermediate lesson will be how to create a sales page. So let's click on create lesson, and again I'm going to duplicate that and click on edit again. And this is another lesson I'm going to create, and it's going to be how to create an order page. So let's update that lesson, and it's updated. So it says how to create a sales page, how to create an order page. And I'm going to add another lesson, and this time I want it to be under advanced, and I'm going to name this creating a membership access page. Click on create lesson, and let's duplicate this, and let's edit this as well, and I'm going to say creating a membership area page. So let's update lesson, and it's updated. So now we have 3 sections with 2 lessons on each of them, and you can add in as many lessons as you want under each section, and you can also kind of move it around like this as well. Let's say you wanted this lesson under basics, and you can move that up there. Oh, sorry, you can't actually move it to any section you want. You have to do that manually, but you can kind of move it up and down like that. So just like this, you can just drag and drop, and you can also delete it right here by clicking on this little delete icon. And to edit it, you just click on this edit icon, and to clone it, just click on this little duplicate icon right here. So now if you go back here and click on refresh, you can see the 3 sections. So if I wanted to see the intermediate section, you can see the lessons under the intermediate section and the lessons under the advanced section. And you can see my name, I'm a CEO at Online Academy, and all that. So now what happens when someone actually clicks on each of these lessons? So there's nothing coming up because we actually haven't added any content to each of these lessons. So we have to add those videos in. So this could be a video, could be just written text, could be an ebook you're trying to sell, could be anything you want. So let's say the first lesson is what is ClickFunnels. So I'm going to click on open editor. And this is the template that it usually comes with, so just delete all of this, because unless you want to use this template, but I usually just start from scratch. So I'm going to click on add new section. So this is just like before, except we're just creating a new page right here instead of the entire page. So I'm going to click on full width, click on add new row, and I'm going to click on one column, and click on add new element, and I'm going to add in a headline. So I'm going to name this what is ClickFunnels, which is the name of the lesson at the top. And below this, I'm going to add a video. So right here, just click on video, and there's the video. So what video will play right here? So you have to tell ClickFunnels the video type. So the video type will be YouTube. So you can put in a Vimeo video, a Vistia video, which is like another software, but the one I'm familiar with is YouTube and Vimeo. So for this example, I'm going to use YouTube, and all you do is just go upload a video to YouTube, or just take any video from YouTube, copy the URL, and just paste it right here. So I have a YouTube channel, so let me just go to my YouTube channel right here. Let me just go to YouTube, sorry. Just go to youtube.com. Let me just go into my channel. Whoops. This isn't my channel. Let me just go into my channel, and I'm going to pick one of my videos, and let's say I want to add this video on how to get subscribers to my course. So this isn't a video on what is ClickFunnels, but I'm just going to show you. So just pretend this is a video on what is ClickFunnels. So I'm going to copy this, copy the link address. Let's go back to ClickFunnels. Where is it? Yeah, right here, and just paste in the URL right here, and hit enter, and that's it. So now the video that we just put in will start playing when someone clicks on this lesson. And below this, you can also add in some descriptions. So right here, just click on paragraph, and you can type in like a little description, and you can also add like a button, an image. There's so many things you can do right here. So those are all the options you have. So click on save, and now if you go back here and click on refresh, so I'm on the what is ClickFunnels section, and you can see the video that I just added in and the paragraph that I just put in. So let's go to the next step, and it's all empty again. So or it's just a normal template. So let's add in another lesson. So I'm just going to click on exit, and I'm going to edit this one instead now. So how to create your first funnel. So let's open that on a new editor. So it's the same thing again. So I just delete everything here, and let's delete this as well. And again, add in a new section, click on full width, and then click on add new row, click on one column, and then click on add new element. So I'm going to add another headline in, and for this one it's going to be creating your first funnel. Creating your first funnel. And I'm going to add a new video below this, and also another paragraph section right here. So for this video, I'm going to add another one in. So I'm going to click on the video, open up the video settings, click on YouTube, and let's find another video. So for this one, I'm going to choose this video here, and let's just paste the URL and hit enter. That's it. So now you just click on save, and let's hit refresh. So the first lesson is what is ClickFunnels, and it's got the video right here. And if you click on the second section, it's got another video here. So now we've created an entire membership area with our own online course. So that's pretty much all you need to know about ClickFunnels now. So you've learned everything from giving away a free product, just a simple funnel that gives away a free product, and to selling a product, and to creating a membership area. So now all you have to do is just mix all of these up. So let's say you want to sell an online course. So let's say you want to sell this online course right here. All you do is just click on add new step, and you put in an order form just before the registration page. So they buy the online course, and then they get access to the registration page. And maybe in the registration page, you'll just say thank you for buying the course, sign up below with your name and your email to get access to the online course. So that's pretty much all you need to know. So now you can get really creative with ClickFunnels, sell all types of different products. And if you have any questions, you can ask in the Q&A part of this course, and I'll answer all your questions. So there's also another bonus section, so you can go check out some of the other videos I have on ClickFunnels. But that's pretty much it. And if you didn't notice before, I do have my own YouTube channel. So if you just go to YouTube and search up DreamCloud, I upload videos daily to this channel. So go check this channel out. I put up new videos, not just on ClickFunnels. I show people how to grow YouTube channels, how to make money with email marketing. There's all types of different videos in here. So go check out my channel, go subscribe, and that's it. So I hope this course was helpful. If you have any questions, make sure you ask me in the Q&A section. And good luck with your online business journey. So in this bonus video, I just wanted to show you a really cool feature on ClickFunnels, and this is called funnel sharing. So this is a website called funnelfridays.com/episodes. So I'll leave a link to it, link to this in the right hand side in the resources tab. And if you go to this page, and if you click on one of these buttons here where it says grab this funnel, it will give you a funnel that this guy built for free. So this guy is Russell Brunson. He's actually the CEO and the founder of ClickFunnels. So if there's anyone out there that knows how to build the best funnels, it's Russell. And he's built all of these funnels for like different things like drone funnel, lose weight funnel. There's one called the hook story offer script funnel, so it like tells you how to hook a new customer, tell them a story, and then offer them a product. So I might try this one here. So all you have to do is just make sure you're logged into ClickFunnels, and then click on grab this funnel, and that will open up your ClickFunnels account, and then it will download that funnel and install it on your ClickFunnels account. So it's a really cool feature, and all you have to do is just edit this into your own funnel. So it just takes a while. So it's going to load up the funnel right now, and you click on view funnel, and let's see what this funnel looks like. So it's got the sales page ready to go. It's got the order form, order confirmation form, and that's it. So let's see what the template looks like. So it's got the logo, it's got a good headline. So all you have to do is just change it to your headline, change it to your own video right here, and it's got the price and everything here. And let's see what the order form looks like. And I'm just going to open it up here. So this is a really nice looking order form. So it looks like it's actually like a physical product. It's actually for a physical product, not a digital product, because it's asking for people's home address and all of that, like shipping information. So it's a really nice looking order form. So this is a good funnel, but let's say you didn't like this. Just go to settings right here at the top, and then scroll all the way down and click on archive funnel. So this will kind of delete your funnel, but it will keep the funnel in like a little trash can, and you can kind of recover it if you wanted to. So just click on archived, and these are all the funnels that you've archived, and you can recover it if you wanted to. So let's try another funnel. So this one's for beauty products. This one's for membership marketing funnel. So we talked about creating a membership funnel before on the advanced section on this course, but let's see what this one looks like. So this one's another one, 30 days bridge funnel. So there's so many in here, and you can try any one of these out. So so it's just loading it in. So let's just wait for this to quickly load up. So while this is loading up, I might look for some of these other ones here. So Fit Dad Secrets, so that's a fitness funnel. Russell's Real Expert Secrets funnel. So this one's actually a book called Expert Secrets, and he actually gives you the entire funnel that he used to sell that book. So I might actually grab this one later on. So let's see what this one is. So let's click on view funnel. So this one's the membership one. So I guess this one's just the order form one, so it's not actually anything special, but let's just have a look at what it looks like. So it's something for $97 per month, and all you have to do is same thing again, just edit it to your own niche. So just change the headlines, change the colors and all of that. So I might have a look at one more funnel, and towards the end of this video I'm going to show you how to actually share your own funnels as well. So let's just have a look at the Expert Secrets funnel. So this is the Expert Secrets funnel. So this is actually a funnel that you can use to sell your own books and all that. So this is one of the best funnels that Russell's ever created, and he's made millions off this funnel. So this one might be a good one to grab. So another cool feature is, let's say that you wanted to share this funnel as well. So that just got deleted. So let me just go back. So let's say that you also want to share this funnel. So this is the funnel that I created previously for Dog Owners Delight. Just click on settings right here. And right here, this is the shareable link. So I can share any funnel with you as long as I click on this funnel and click on this link, and then it would automatically be installed onto your ClickFunnels account. So if you wanted to share this funnel, the funnel that you created with other people, or you wanted to sell the funnel to other people, then you can do that right here. So just go into settings on your funnel and scroll down to share this funnel. So this is just a really cool feature that you can use. And again, you can just go into go to Google and just search up ClickFunnels shared funnels. And under Google, you can find so many different funnels that you can use. So there's one here, 7 crazy high converting funnels, and they have more funnels here. And even on YouTube, they have heaps of funnels that you can share. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in another bonus video. I'm going to keep updating this bonus sections with new updates and all that. So I'll see you in another video.